Camp IC report of fire spreading to a structure, 3488 Hoffman in Concal, north of Concal Reservoir.
I'm unable to get a hold of the IC. I'm down on Hoffman Road, and we have multiple structures down here. If you can relay to them, I need at least 5 strike teams sent down to this area.
Go ahead.
Camp IC report of a possible entrapment. RP advising they cannot evacuate due to fire. 13526, 13526, Green Forest Lane in the Concal area, across Concal Road.
Camp IC Orville.
Yeah, I've just got a report from Training 2107, Division Delta. They're trapped on Hoffman Road with multiple residences taking refuge in a creek. Need to advise SOs that the safety zone's inside Camelot. That's where they need to advise those people to go to.
I'll be local. Pretender 45, Orville, go ahead.
I can't get through the IC. I'm at 13006 Concal Road with 20 civilians. We're completely surrounded by fire. We're taking a safe zone.
Orville copies. Very limited on resources. Advise if you have medical needs, we'll try and get you assistance.
Affirmative. I've got one patient with chest pain. However, you can't get in at this time. We've got explosion, structures on fire, and we're taking refuge in our vehicle.
Orville copies 0906. Break in the area. Possibly on fire. 0922.
Agent 941 copies. Float.
Orville 8332.
Agent 8332, Orville.
We're holding a position on Wagstaff, just about a quarter mile from Skyway. We have several structures threatened involved. It will close off our Wagstaff route. If you have another engine, we can use it. Also, unable to make contact with branch 2.
Affirmative. If they can find an LZ, currently we're working 3 burn patients out with burns to approximately 50% of their bodies. If they could land somewhere and time with the medics, we're ground transporting out now on Concal Road to Highway 70.